Zinn's Mowers. Just showing you the working air compressor that I finally got. It is a Samborn. I got my airline hooked up. Had to buy another fitting. That pink fitting right there. I want to show you how good this works. Yeah, if I can open my reducer valve. I mean, I gotta kind of put some Teflon around some of these fittings, but the tank holds air at least. Holds a lot of air, guys. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go because I got some things to do. I use this to blow out that engine carburetor here today. So this thing really works well. This is that same airline that I took off that other compressor that I bought and that didn't work. Anyway, I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys go check out the hype videos. Some of you local people, I hope that you go also and subscribe to my friend on Maslin Tigers Go. I will see you this Friday. Go Tigers. Thanks.